everyone, it's Sparkling Char and welcome back to my channel. And I was coming in to show a quick little mini haul that I did for Amazon. I did off Etsy and I did with Rebecca Hoot. So let me get started with this one. This is just what is it? A gingerbread little bowl mixed with flour for a little recipe book that you can make these. It's got a lot of pieces. It's called the Gingerbread Man Metal Die. And then I bought this word letter background. I'm gonna be happy to use this when I do start my Marguerite Miller, which I'll probably start this week. But this is really good too. Sorry if you're getting any glare. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that for that. I also bought me a blood pressure machine. I gotta start keeping up with my blood pressure. And I bought the cuff can, which I'm gonna show you how this works. It should, I think this will work pretty good on camera right quick. Let's see. And I'm gonna, and then you push start. Can you see it? And it's making a little noise. And let's see what my blood pressure is. It's probably up because I'm excited because I got like crap stuff. I'm trying not to try to be calm about it. Okay. And you see the little heart beating? Am I in frame? It's actually my pulse. That's my pulse. I don't know. Okay, so it's 155 over 98, which is a little elevated. It's elevated, guys. Yeah, so I'll take my medicine. But it seems to work pretty good. I like it. Okay, so that's that. So I will be carrying this with me every day because I got to keep tabs on my blood pressure. And I bought this cute little washi tape. Oh, it's so pretty. As if I needed more. I really didn't. I think it's called, I'm trying to see the name of it. Hold on. Well, it came from Amazon. And it's got all these pretty colors. Look how pretty this is. The orange, the pinks. So pretty. A lot of sparkle. Of course, you know I love sparkle. Deers, flowers. Give it a close look. Isn't it pretty? All these different colors. Yeah, I really didn't need more washi tape, but that'll work too. I also picked up these Sugar Bell, what do you call these? The glue, I could use it for your glue because sometimes that glue be hard for me to come out. Since the old lady got arthritis, it's hard to, well, you know, I can't even get in this doggone box to bring this out. You guys know how it look. Let's see. I can't get them out. The Sugar Bell. Okay. Hopefully you're not getting too much glare. The Sugar Bell glue bottles. Yeah. So it came like that, a set of 4. What else did I get? Oh, yeah. This is some beads. Some wood beads. Look at all the pretty colors. They so pretty. Butterflies, flowers. Really pretty. So this is called sunflower beads. So I bought those. And my next thing, all this from Amazon. I think I bought something else, but I can't remember what it actually is that I bought. Let me put this back in here. Yeah. Okay. That's that monitor. This is the blood pressure thing. That's how it looks. Comes in there. Okay. The thing I bought from Rebecca Hoot kit. And I like how this is about my 4th kit from her. Say we had the key to our own. We have the key to our own fairy tales. Rebecca, it's so pretty. She got the little mushroom on the back, and then this is wand, everything like that. And then it also comes with this to go in your journal. One of these. Let's see. It has a mushroom, a fairy, and some beads, and then it has a key. Really cute to go on your journal. I don't know if I got a journal around here so you can see how it works. It works well. I got a little book right here. Let me just put it like whatever page you're on. Well, she got a paper clip on this one, but I think it clips on the inside. And it can hang in your journal like that. It'll be better in a bigger, in a bigger journal book. So pretty, right? So I got that. Ooh, sorry guys, making all that noise, that fuss. And then it comes with all this goodies. Let's see. It's what you call these? Ponytail holder thing. Crunchy. Some beautiful washi tape. And I also got come with an ink pen. Sorry. Come with an ink pen. This is a really nice pen. It's a purple gel pen. Let's see how this writes. Oh, the tip is still on there. Brand new. So it writes pretty good. Then she have all these little what are these? 4x4s? I think they 4x4. Yeah, 4x4s. Okay, that's the back of one sheet, but she cut them all out. This is so cute. Okay, so that was one 12x12 that she cut out the 4x4s on there. 1 or 2, rather. Then you got these stickers. Oh, this is cute. This was her fairy tale kit. And they're stickers, so you can just pull them off. This is really cute, Rebecca. And then you got the days with the stars on it for you, you can journal with. And then this one, and she actually makes this herself. She paints it. She lives life in her own little fairy tale. Make a fairy tale and go live in it. Oh my God, that is so cute. Someday you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again. That's me. It's never too late to live happily ever after. Find a magical place in the world and live there. Happily ever after is not a fairy tale. It's a choice. And what is this? Fight for the fairy tale. It does exist. Oh, those are some nice quotes. Okay. And then she give you a pack of ephemera from Echo Park. It's got a lot of little pretty stuff in here. You see? Really nice. Notepad. And you get a journal book. It's blue in color and it comes with a lot of pages. So it's nice. I just really love this bookmark. This bookmark is so cute. What does this book say inside? Oh, I had it upside down. This is really nice. Okay. Because I think you can use this without the paper clip. but it will hang on your book like that. And your charm will hang from your book. And so it's like that. So cute. This is pretty. And then you got this. So this all came from Rebecca Hoot's Fairy Tale Kit. Which again, I say this is like my third kit I done got from her. I think this is the first one I ever showed that I bought, but I get them all the time. I can't wait to get the next one. It's really cute. And then I bought off of Etsy what you call them kind of kits? A mixture. This is from Lavender Lane Vintage. That's cute how she got her card. Oh, I might have to lift that one. Nikki Wilson, Lavender Lane Vintage. And she got some really cute little stuff up in here. And some butterflies. And, oh, what is this? A little froggy. Can you see it? That's cute. Okay. And this is how it's packaged. I'm going to take this out really nice and neat. Oh, I don't want to tear that flower. Or this bag. I want to use this bag. Okay. And I bought the $12 mix. $12 scoop. I think you get 2 scoops for $25. I'm going to list her in the description box. Both of them. Oh, that's the mixture of goodies. And it's so cute. And this all to the side. And I guess this is my mixture. For $12. A surprise, what do you call them? Mixes? Surprise mix or something like that. Okay, I got some ribbon. Trying to see where it comes apart at. I think right here. Yeah, so you can see. Some ribbon. I got like a coil. Little thing. Some flowers. These some more little ribbons turned into bows. Some little seed beads in a container. I'm not gonna open that. Clothespin. Some beads, some more beads. Quite a lot of bit of beads. This is a bead. Oh, here go another ribbon. It's a ribbon turned into a bow. Okay, wait, let me try to separate this. Okay, that's some things. Oh. Okay, we'll just let them roll where they're gonna roll. Okay, right there. These are the bows, ribbon bows. These are my flowers. This is a nice little spread. Some more yarn, some more ribbon. Some more ribbon. Cute. This is a little charm. One of them is a bumblebee. Can you see it? And then this is a beehive, a honeycomb charm. That's cute. Put that back in there. Oh, I got some pretty butterflies. Oh my God, I love butterflies, guys. But y'all know it or not, because that's what's on my arm for butterflies. They came out kind of dark, but this represents my loved ones that's in heaven. My mom, my grandmother, and my brother. These are pretty. Oh, wow. some more ribbon. These buttons. Oh, these some nice little buttons. Oh, they got the, I like how they decorated. See them? You can see the groove on them. Really nice. And got some mixture. And of course the clothespin. What's in here? Oh, it's the ladybug. I like how she got that in there. You see it? Oh. And what's in this one? Oh, it's a big bumblebee in this one. Let me see. Can I take the top off? That is so cute how she got that. Okay. And then this mixture. I was so excited to get this. And then it's a mixture of, sorry about if you get any glare, but you see all the little goody beads. It's a heart in there. Really pretty. Okay, so that came from, this was $12, this little mix. With all these, this little mixture. This little mix here, $12. Then she put these little extras in here. The butterflies that's on the side. She make those, put those in there. Those are cute. And then this little frog. And again, it's Nikki Wilson. I'm going to take it out of the, well, I'm going to put it in the description, but it's Nikki Wilson Lavender Lane Vintage. So, thank you guys for stopping in and taking a look at all of my goodies. I'm really happy about what I picked and got off my bucket list. Oh, I forgot my, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. I will be right back. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I'm back. One thing I did forget, it was on my bucket list. Let me put all this, my goodies back in the bag. One thing I forgot that was on my bucket list. I know everybody got it, but it was the sealing wax kit. And I was finally able to get me one. And I'm going to come back and I think I want to play with this one. Well, let's show you what's in here. I know everybody probably got one already. But it comes with the 2 pins, the gold and the silver. Come with 10 tea light candles. The stand. It's pretty heavy. All the different wax colors. Let me take this out so you won't get too much glare. These are all the different wax. Can you see them? Oh, sorry about the glare. It's like a peach, a orange, a brown, bronze, yellow, a gold, another red, some greens, some white, some gold purple, some blue, pink. This one here holds come with a pouch and it holds your tweezers to pick up your wax, your little glue thing that you sit up in here and it heats it up for you. It's got some gold mixture. And this one has the Tree of Life, look like the Tree of Life stamp. I can't wait to play with this. And it also gives you some envelopes. Come with some beautiful envelopes in this package. So yeah, so I'm excited to play with this. I should just came on and we should just wax seal some stuff, right? So yeah, those are all my goodies. Sorry about the video went too long. I just wanted to show you guys all these little trinkets I got. That's making me so happy. Yeah. So let's see. I forgot how this go. But anyway, there we go. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.